So we put this gummy bear in a microwave, then let's see what happens. Okay, it's almost done. 3, 2, 1. What? That used to be a gummy bear. That used to be. Let's do another one.
No.
Ew. Okay, we're doing it to
It's
another one.
crunchy.
Okay, Noah, get another
I'll
one.
try to find one. Here's what I do one. Got one. He's green.
Okay,
This is what they turned out before, just so you know. They're like skinny.
well that's because we put them in hot chocolate.
Well,
Yeah, that's because Noah put them in hot chocolate because he felt like it. But let's put it back in the microwave.
what if we put it up?
Yeah, put it on a separate stand so we can tell. Okay, as you see, it's on the top left corner right there. Okay. Open.
30 seconds.
No, let's do a minute. That's the best. Just hit add a minute. Put it closer to the center.
Run.
No, keep it in. Keep it in. Keep it in. Okay, right now it's just this green spot. But if we put it back in. Okay, yeah, let's put it back in. To try to get the same, to try to get the same effect. Okay, put it back in.
This is like good. That's the good.
Yeah, okay, put it back in.
He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus.
No. Okay. That is disturbing.
Yo, that's
Okay, it's a big
smell.
Okay, put it back in. Put it back in. Destroy that smell. Okay, put it in. It smells so bad. Just put it in. Oh, that smells. So bad. Hit add a minute. Ooh.
You better watch out. You better not cry. Better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus.
Take it out. 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 Oh. Come on, Noah, show it. Take it out. Come on. Okay. That's why you don't put gummy bears in the microwave.